Free website on Wix complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build our own website on Wix for the first time if you are new to this platform. Nothing hard, so let's get started. I'll show you all the features, how can we choose templates, how can we manage SEO and some other stuff. So here we are on wix.com, and in order to get started just simply click on this button get started, and after a small registration you can easily create an account with Gmail. We'll come to this page with our dashboard. Here, as you can see, we can find all the existing websites I have like 1, 2, 3 websites. And after that, in order to create a new one, if you're new to this platform, you'll have to create a new one. We need to click on create new site in the right top corner right up here on this blue button. So after that, we'll come to next page where we need to answer for some of the questions. What kind of website are you creating? In order to show you wall picture, I'm going to skip this part, but you can also answer for the questions and it will be pretty easy as for you to find the most suitable template. So yeah, Wix is a platform which provides us the opportunity to interact with templates where we can easily customize them, add sections, add elements, delete pages, and manage all stuff related with website creating. So here we are. I recommend you to click on begin with the template, not click on go to dashboard, because we'll start from picking our template. So let's go to template page. And if we'll click on begin with a template, we'll come to all the templates we have on Wix. And to make it easier to find the most suitable one, they provide us the opportunity to interact with different categories, different topics. We have business and services, store, creative, community, blog, and so on. So it depends on what would you like to create, what do you want to create. Let's say that we want to create our blog. I'm going to create a personal blog just as an example. You can of course choose a store, business services, some creative stuff. For example, if you're like a photographer or designer, musician, and maybe like some artist, something like this. So let's click on the blog, and I'm going to create a personal blog. And as you can see, now we can find all the templates about personal blog. Of course, we can create a website from scratch. They provide us the opportunity to use blank templates right up here, even from scratch, and also we can find just a structure to interact with the structure itself. So we'll just simply need to fill it with the content, not to change content, but simply fill. So let's click on blog, and I'm going to go to personal blog, and here I would like to create this website. If you click on view, we can simply find how will it look like. We can view all the pages on our website we'd like to create. We have home, blog, about, resources, and also content and contact. As you can see, we have a like multiple page website, and I think it's pretty cool. So it's totally responsive. We can switch between different devices. And yeah, in order to select this template, we just simply need to click on edit this site, and in a few seconds this template will be added to our website we already have, and it will be like a base. So now we need to change all content we have on this website. So yeah, change all the photos, content inside, articles, topics. We can also like manage the structure, and let me show you how can we do this. Usually creating this like website template, it may take a little time, maybe 10 or 15 seconds, and all we need to do is just simply wait until everything is done. And after that we'll come to this page, which is called editor, and also as you can see sometimes it's necessary to download something. Let's take a quick tour. In the left side we have a menu where you can add different elements, add sections, pages and menus, site design, manage site design, add apps, manage business, find media, and also CMS folder. And I always recommend firstly to go to site design to change color palette, because this is like general things we can change for the website. Let's say that I want to use this color palette. Of course we can change every single color if it's necessary, but as for me, combined palettes, it's like even interesting sometimes. And also we can go to text theme, click on change text theme, and here find something like interesting. I'm using something like this, so yeah, let it be like this. After that, we need to change the content. So yeah, as you can see, every single website on Wix is built from different sections. This section here, this section here, and this section here. The most common options we can do with section is to move them up or move them down to change the order or something like this. We can click on more and see some additional options. The most popular is to delete and also like cut. I'm going to delete some of the sections I don't need. For example, this one here. Let's click on delete. One more option we can do is that we can add a section. So we can click on add a section and then just simply find the necessary template we'd like to do. We can use a blank section, of course, or we can use AI Creator to create it for ourselves if you can easily describe it as deep as possible. In my case, let's say that we want to add about page. We deleted it, so let's add it back. So yeah, it was like this. Now we need to change the content inside of the section. So in order to do it right, we just simply need to select the necessary object element, and here just double click. As you can see, we can find all the properties we can change: font, themes, font size, make it bold, italic, change the alignment, and so on. And the same stuff we can do with every single object. With this button, we can change icon, text, change where will it link to, add animation, and do some other stuff. We can delete objects, for example, like this, and also we can add objects. In order to do it, we need to click on plus, add element, and here find the necessary type: text, image, button, strip, decorative, box, gallery, menu and anchor, context and forms, video and music, and so on. So nothing hard, just simply click on text, and I would like to add this one here. As you can see, it was automatically added. One more thing we need to know is that we can manage structure. We can go to pages and menu right up here and then just simply manage all the stuff. We have home page, blog page, about, resources, contact, and so on. So we can delete, and also we can create a new page by simply clicking on plus, add page in the bottom of the screen. So as you can see, nothing hard. When everything is done, we can click on publish in the right top corner, click on save and continue, and in a few seconds our website will be automatically published to the internet. So now everyone can get access to this website. So let me show you just as an example. It's also may take a little time. By the way, if you want to find more in-depth tutorials about Wix, you can always find them in this playlist. It was shown like as an end screen on YouTube, and also you can find more useful videos in this playlist. So now we can click on done, and in a few seconds we can view our website. So now we can get access to this website according to this link in the top of the screen. And according to this link right up here, we can click on view, and as you can see, everything is working. So yeah, hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.